Welcome to Working Bank Aspirant channel.
Hello all, welcome back to my channel Working Bank Aspirant. Okay guys, I'm again back with one more video of pre-examination training, which is of day 3. The people who have not checked introduction day 1 day 2 videos, I'll tag here. Please go and check. If not, I'll provide link in the description box. Please go and check, because introduction video is more important, like how to log in. You can know all the details from scratch. Day 1 is all about the introduction. You need to go through all that videos guys. Just go through. If you want, you can playback speed you can keep as like 2 or 3. Just go to that videos, you will get an idea and overview of the pre-examination training. If you skip all that videos and you will come to directly day 3, you will know, don't have any idea like on which day which kind of section is going to have. So please go and check that videos guys, you will get a clear idea. Okay, then coming to the day 3, here you can see I've already uploaded introduction day 1 day 2 videos. So coming to the day 3 of pre-examination training, which is of general economic, banking, digital and financial awareness, including RBI circulars. Guys, before going to start up this video, I just want to give you a heads up. This general awareness is a vast, and also what I can say exactly, it is unpredictable guys. Like if you'll study or revise it daily on a daily basis, you will at least get at least 10 to 15 marks. So you need to focus on some important topics, including RBI circulars. Clearly here given for the IBPS PO means examinations, RBI circulars are more important. Generally the banking awareness section will be more important, including RBI circulars. Okay, so this is unpredictable, even though you should not take it light, because there is a sectional cutoff for the IBPS PO means examinations you need to focus on. So as soon as possible, I'll upload day 4, day 5, day 6 videos guys. Please stay tuned for that, and if anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. 3 includes general economic, banking, digital, financial awareness, including RBI circulars guys. Okay, clearly here they have been given some such areas which are more important. All these are important for the current affairs section, so just be focused more on these. And also for IBPS PO, banking and financial awareness, national international awareness, some MOUs, so important kind of questions they may ask. So compared to last year's, there are more static part they have been asked guys. So I have given some main examinations, right? So I have to see that there are some static questions so related to the current affairs. So while you are preparing, like there are so many good platforms like Smart. It doesn't mean like promotional guys, just I'm saying I have currently purchased Smart Kitas. I'm just following that because of smart points like that. And also there are some YouTube channels like Kapil Katpal sir have been followed, Abjit Mishra sir have been followed, Parsham classes. They have seen so many Sheetal ma'am. Like I'm not following all these. There are only particular sources, 1 to 2 sources to have stick to that. But I'm just giving a heads up. Like these are all the channels, very good channels. You can follow based upon your understanding level. Once you can check all these videos, like some faculties you may like the kind of explanations, based upon that you can choose. So these are very good channels guys. You can go with free of cost, it doesn't require anything. And also Smart Kidas for current affairs PDFs I upload in my Telegram channel guys, because I have already been purchased, right? So you don't need required to purchase anything. I'll, if possible, before mains examinations guys, before once after completing of prelims examinations, I'll upload day wise PDFs, okay, for sure, because I have already been purchased. I know that the financial burden and financial situations, the people who are not able to afford it, I'll definitely going to make them available for free. So it is just an initiative. So I know the situations of the people, so that is the reason guys. Okay, just comment me in the comment section. If you require, I'm definitely going to provide it. If don't require, I won't provide. If you require, definitely, if 1 people are required for the free PDFs of Smart Kita, I'll definitely provide it, because I have purchased for the plan for the 1 year. So I'll definitely provide day wise PDFs if you want, or week wise or month wise. So if you want 3, I'll definitely going to upload it for sure. Okay guys, these are all the areas you need to focus on. And coming to the questions guys, just these are the questions for the reference. It doesn't mean like these kind of questions are going to come for the examinations. So these are only for the reference purpose. And also please be focused on the static part more once you are preparing for any kind of tie-ups or any kind of banking related news. Just go with like establishment, headquarters. So all the static part, please go to the static part. If you follow any kind of these channels that have been listed, so they will provide the static news, they will include static news too. So I personally prefer Kapil Katpal sir and Abjit Mishra sir. I'm just giving you my point of view. Okay, guys, these are all type of questions that they are going to ask about scheduled commercial banks. And also they have been given some schemes related questions here. You can see there are static part questions that they have been asked. Some static part questions you cannot cover, but just go with the current affairs section, guys. At least you can score good marks up to 10 to 15 marks at least. That are very good marks in the mains examination, guys. Okay. Here you can see there are so many type of questions. I'm not going through each and every question, guys, because this current affairs is unpredictable. If I'll go through each and every question, it is waste of time. Just go to the current affairs and static part. That's it. About the schemes, government schemes too important here. All kind of new schemes here. Just here you can see, right, all kind of questions they are asking. Static part about the Rajya Sabha they have been asked, about the governors they have been asked. So about kind of MSME questions that they have been asked. So here there are kind of questions more related to static part, guys. By seeing all these questions, I like in from starting from last year they started asking static questions. It's common. You need to focus current affairs including static parts. That's it. About HS self-help groups they have been asked. It is a static question here. You can see. The least time to complete the one revolution around the sun. These kind of questions, normal static, we can't do anything with that questions. If you know, you'll just mark it. Okay, around 50 questions that they have been given, guys. The same 50 questions they have been given in the Hindi section too. So if you want, I'll provide in Hindi section 2. So right now here there are 50 questions. More are focused on static part. So this is up to general awareness. So before going to end up this video, I just want to go through the current affairs daily. My advice is my personal advice. Just go to the current affairs daily. If you are having very good mind power, just you can start preparing after giving your prelims too. Because there are hardly 30 to 40 days left. Just give importance to each and every section because there is sectional cutoff, and also they are asking static part too, so just be more focused on static part, guys. So even though it is unpredictable, you should not leave like that because this sectional cutoff even more important. If you clear all, you will get more good marks in all the sections. If you are not secured cutoff marks in this section, it is lost. So that's it about this video, guys. I have already said that I have been my personal YouTube channels have been said, and also have said multiple channel names, right? So you can go and check the channels and you can choose among all that any one based upon your interest and based upon the understanding levels. Okay, this is about day 3, guys. I'll again upload day 4, day 5, day 6 videos as soon as possible, and just be consistent and just make your parents proud. Just be an financially independent person. Because I know the unemployment and also the financial burdens. You can think that I'm a working bank aspirant, even though I know the value of even a single rupee. I know the situations of not having financial problems too now. Even though in every situations all the people are having problems, guys, please keep all this aside. Just be prepared very well. Like there are hardly few days left for the prelims examinations. You just need to crack it because it's a huge opportunity. Just I'm giving you a heads up. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you. Bye. See you in another video.